mapayapa sila kahapon. Doon sila sa Freedom Park. Okay naman. We're very happy that, alam mo kasi, sa totoo lang, pag INC yan nagra-rally, wala akong kakabakaba. Kasi, katulad ng huli nilang ginawa dito sa Luneta na may permit, ilang milyon sila doon. Alam mo nung pag-alis nila,
Malirat na.
walang biro ha. Although nandito yung DPS, nandito yung amin. Typical na, what we extended to them is being extended to all other political organization conducting freedom of expression in the city of Manila. Pag-alis sila, alos dun eh. Wala talaga. Kahapon, na-monitor namin yung Liwasa. Although hindi nila kailangan ng permit doon, dahil ano yun eh, freedom park. Tapos alam mo, kagabi, nag-10 pa sila. Nag-10, after nilang umalis, nag-10 sila, they stayed overnight. Because, I think may programa pa sila. So, pero okay naman. Maayos naman, medyo ano lang kami, traffic. And that's part of Manila eh. Pag nagpunta sila lahat sa Recto, parado ang buong Moraita, apektado buong Espanya. Pag nagpunta sila sa Luneta, kung sino man to, across ako, parado ang Luneta, Ayala, Sarado, and so on and so on. Talaga very challenging ang Manila. But at least, as you can see, pinapayagan naman namin, basta sila hihingi ng permission sa amin. Except for Freedom Park. Hindi nila kailangan. Pero still, we have to police them not to go as much as we can na makakapag-permission at their kapon. So far kahapon, maayos yung mga kapatid natin sa iglesia dito sa Manila. I cannot speak on other areas, but as far as with regard to your question, matitino yung mga kapatid natin dito na nagpunta sa Manila. And some of them are not from Manila, they traveled all the way.
Ay, last take away kasi limited pa daw sa city.